Hi, I'm Sam. Welcome to another 92 Nail Special Talk. Okay, that seems a little bit foul. I'll start over. Welcome to another 92 Nail Special Bathroom Talk, where we talk about the shitty stuff. No? Welcome to another 92 Nail Special Bathroom Talk, where we talk about things that go on in the bathroom. Allie decided she needed a shelf for back here, and so here we are in the bathroom, because this is about the only creative thing I could come up with today. It's gonna go right behind me on the wall. She requested a triangular shape with a few shelves for random knickknacks and whatever else you put in the bathroom. So we're gonna go try to knock that out. Just gonna use some pine boards that we had laying around. We'll go try to make something special for the bathroom. Thanks for joining me. Let's get to it. Okay, straight from the planer, hot off the press. These are kind of sort of what I mocked up. With any luck, it'll look something like that. Next step is a table saw. I'm just gonna cut everything to width and length, and then attempt to figure out how to make all these angles line up. That proved to be a difficulty in the last triangular shelf I made. Hopefully this time it goes a little smoother. Has a couple of holes from knots. I'm going to attempt to remedy those with some epoxy, which I've seen done on the internet, but I've never tried myself. As far as I know, you just kind of tape them, flip them, and then fill up these holes with epoxy. Next step we have to tackle is trying to get these. There's a 65-degree angle on both bottoms and then all the shelves, obviously, and a 50-degree angle on the top. And I'm gonna try to cut all these miters on something around here, preferably not a handsaw. I just haven't quite decided how I'm gonna do that yet. So, sand and think, come back to the angle situation. Okay, here's what I came up with. I ended up setting the table saw to 25 degrees, and then I put a sacrificial fence on. And now what I can do is, I've already test cut, I can ride the board along with a push stick along this piece of MDF and slice that 25-degree angle. 2 of those makes the top of our little A-frame. Okay, I've seen this method on the internet before. I certainly did not come up with it, but you're supposed to be able to tape all corners, and they usually do it for a square. In this case, it's a triangle, obviously. And then you tape the bottoms, glue them and fold everything together. No clamps needed, in theory.
It looks so good. Oh, I'm so excited.
All right, well that's a wrap on this one. Pleased with the way it came out. As you can see, got some face towels, succulents, soaps, stinky things. Very pleased. Allie's happy with it, I'm happy with it. I had fun making it. I hope you had fun watching it. If you like this video, share it. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Stick that button down there. Always remember to trust your guide. Till next time, bye.